الذين آمنوا وتطمئن قلوبهم ألا بذكر الله تطمئن القلوب.
My brothers, I want to ask you something, man. What is it that took you away from Allah? What is it that made you forget about your Allah? In Quran, Allah Azza wa Jal speaks out. And He says, "O human being, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is speaking, O human being, what is it that took you away from me? What is it that distracted you away from your Allah?" Allah says, "O my slave, Quran, did there not come a time where you did not exist?" He says, "Lam yakun shay'an mathkura." You weren't even remembered. Your name wasn't mentioned. There was a point in time, my brother, you didn't even exist. Allah says, "I created you. Me alone. I created you from a piece of sperm." People walking around today, looking down at others. He thinks he's something. He thinks he's something. Brother, did you forget where you came from? Allah created you from a piece of sperm. So don't be fooled now, because mashallah now you got some money in your pocket. Or maybe now, you drive a nice pretty car. Allah says, "I created you from a piece of sperm." Your beginning was a nutfah. Your beginning was a nutfah. Yes, my brother, for those of you who have pride and arrogance in their hearts, for those of you who think that Allah owes them something, for those of you who feel like, "I don't have time for Allah," my brother, there was a point in time you were nothing. Then from nothing, you were a piece of sperm. Forgive me for the language, but if I can't speak the truth, then what am I here for? What, to entertain you? You were a piece of sperm. You were that, whether you like it or not. Allah says, "I created you from a piece of sperm. In 3 layers of darkness in the womb, in the stomach of your mother, I created you. I fashioned you. I sustained you." Where was your family then? Where was your money then? Where was your car then? Where were your girlfriends then? Where was your Facebook then? When I created you, you were nothing. Where were these things that have taken you away from me? These things that have taken you away from me, where were they then?